Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming what kind of home screen item you want removed and why. This matters because widgets, app icons, and web shortcuts behave differently. Once you know the type and your device, Android versus iOS, unlock the screen and make sure no apps are active on top. Then, press and hold the shortcut gently until the system shows Move, Edit, or a Trash/Remove option. This initial long press starts the deletion flow and reveals the next controls you need. You now perform the removal. Drag the icon toward the Remove/Delete area or tap the menu that appears and pick Remove from Home. For widgets, release onto Remove or tap the widget's three-dot menu to delete. Widgets may offer to keep app data, so choose accordingly. For website shortcuts, confirm deletion when prompted. Make sure to pause briefly after the UI confirms removal so you don't accidentally reposition other icons. This ensures only the targeted item is deleted. You finish by verifying the item is gone. Open the app drawer or widget list to ensure only the shortcut was removed and the app remains if intended. If the shortcut reappears, restart the device to clear temporary states and then try removal again. If icons act erratically, clear the launcher or home app cache in settings. This resets icon layout without data loss. If issues persist, reinstall or update the launcher. That usually resolves corrupted shortcut behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.